Okay, students, let's start this question. When a car sits at rest, its driver sees raindrops falling on it vertically. So suppose uh, this is your car moving in this direction, and raindrops falling on it vertically. When the driving when driving the car with speed v, so if it is at rest, then the vertically raindrops are falling, so velocity of rain is vertical direction. But when the driver starts the car with velocity v, he sees the raindrop are coming at an angle 60 degree from the horizontal. So then the raindrops are coming 60 degree with the horizontal. So on further increasing the speed, so that's case 1. Further he, so here the velocity is v. Further he increases the velocity, and now the speed is 1 plus beta into v. The angle changes to 45 degree. So now this angle is 45 degree with the horizontal. So he sees that the raindrops are coming at 45 degree. So we have to find the value of beta. This beta we have to find. Okay. So students, if you draw the diagram for this first case, so that's the direction of the, see, that's the velocity of rain. Velocity of rain is vertical. So velocity of rain is this will remain the direction. But now the this is the resultant, right? This is your resultant that is finding that now the raindrop is, so this is the velocity of rain, the resultant velocity. This is the velocity of rain when the car at rest. Now the car is moving with velocity c. So this is the velocity c. So now this is the velocity of rain with respect to ground. Okay. But this is the velocity of rain with respect to ground. That is velocity. But now, what will be the velocity of rain with respect to the car? Because this person is sitting in the car, he is feeling that now the rain is coming at 60 degree with the horizontal. So velocity of rain with respect to car will be velocity of rain minus velocity of car. So in case 1, so this resultant will be, so this is velocity of car, so minus, so that is actually vr plus minus vc. So velocity of rain with respect to car is the vector sum of vr and minus vc. So that is minus vc, and that will be the result. So that is the diagram. Now in case 1, this is a case 1 when the velocity is v, and this is case 2 when the velocity is this. So that's the magnitude of velocity of car. This is the magnitude of velocity of car. Now here, this angle is 60 degrees. So this angle is given to us, that is 60 degree. And what is this 60 degree? This 60 degree, this theta, you can write this theta is changing in both the cases. So that's this theta here, tan theta is what? See, this is a tan theta. This is a theta. So that's the magnitude of velocity of rain when we are dealing with trigonometry. See, when we are dealing with calculus, we deal with scalars and vectors both. But when we are dealing with trigonometry, then we are dealing only with scalars. Okay. So understand this thing. So trigonometry only dealing with the scalars. Now this is the magnitude. Scalar means magnitudes. Means if we are dealing with vector, then magnitude of vectors. So either scalar or magnitude of vectors. So VR, and this is a magnitude of the velocity of car. That is your tan theta. So tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So here your perpendicular is VR and base is VC. So that's the formula you have, because this is the magnitude of velocity of car, and magnitude of velocity of rain is, that's constant. So this velocity of car is changing, theta is changing, and you can see that the relation is inverse relation is there. So more is the velocity, lesser will be the, so this whole quantity will be lesser, and tan theta is 0 and tan 90 is infinity. So 0 to pi by 2. This is not related with this question, but it's a general question, because it doesn't, because next time this question will not come in this form, in means J, some other form. So we must know the concepts well. So just discussing the concept with you, that tan, as this is increasing, this also, so tan is, it's an increasing function from 0 to pi by 2. Theta is increasing, value is also increasing. So if this is decreasing, means the theta is decreasing. So more is the velocity of car, lesser will be your theta. So you can see here, as velocity is increased, the theta decrease. Now in the first case, you have tan 60 degree is equals to VR upon velocity of car is V. In the second case, angle is 45 degree. So that's VR upon 1 plus beta into V. So students, tan 45 is 1. So it means VR is equals to 1 plus beta into V. So put this value of VR over here, and tan 60 degree, we know it's root 3. Yes. So this V will go that side. So root 3V. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. So using 2 in first, what do we get? Root 3V is equals to 1 plus beta into V. So students, V also gets cancelled out. And you know the value of beta, that is 1.732 root 3 minus 1. That's 0.73. Okay. So the question was pretty simple, but I was just discussing with you that. But so simple question. Okay. So what's the correct option? Option D.